What on earth is a digital wallet? Let's break it down together and see why it's becoming such a big deal in our daily lives. Imagine your old school wallet, but now it lives on your phone. No more bulky pockets, no more worrying about losing your cards or cash. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, ready whenever you are. A digital wallet securely stores your payment cards, loyalty cards, and even your ID, all in one easy-to-access app. It's like carrying your entire wallet, but without the clutter or the risk of misplacing anything important. Paying is as simple as tapping your phone. No more rummaging through your bag or pockets, no more fumbling for the right card. Just a quick tap and you're done. And it's not just for techies or the younger crowd. Anyone can use it, from students grabbing coffee to grandparents shopping for groceries. Digital wallets are designed to be user-friendly for everyone. The goal? To make paying for things faster, easier, and safer than ever before. With advanced security features, your information stays protected, giving you peace of mind every time you pay. It doesn't replace cash or cards completely, but it gives you a powerful new option. You can choose what works best for you in any situation. Plus, digital wallets can do more than just pay. They let you send money to friends, split bills, and even keep track of your spending, all in one place. In short, a digital wallet is a secure app that lets you pay in shops, online, or in other apps. No physical card needed, just your phone. And soon, these wallets are getting a major upgrade that will change how you use your bank account forever. Get ready for a whole new way to manage your money. Here's the big update. Something that's set to change the way you handle your money every single day. You can now link your bank account directly to your digital wallet, making your finances more connected than ever before. In the past, digital wallets were mostly just a place to store your card details, acting like a virtual version of your physical wallet. But now, things have evolved. Your wallet can connect straight to your bank account, creating a seamless bridge between your money and your spending. This is called bank wallet integration, and it's a total game changer for anyone who wants more control and convenience. Now, when you make a payment, the money comes directly from your bank balance, instantly and securely, without any extra steps or delays. This is all possible thanks to open banking, a secure, regulated system that lets trusted apps access your account, but only with your clear permission. You're always in control, deciding exactly who gets access, for how long, and what they can see or do. Your privacy and security come first. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a fundamental shift in how you manage your money, track your spending, and plan for the future. Your digital wallet is now a central hub for all your finances, letting you see your accounts, make payments, and manage everything from one place. It breaks down the wall between your bank and your spending, making your financial life simpler and more transparent. This new connection unlocks instant purchases, so you can shop online or in-store without any hassle or waiting. It also means easier transfers between accounts, faster peer-to-peer payments, and a smoother experience for managing your money. It's a big deal, and it's happening right now. The future of banking and spending is here, and it's all in your pocket. With your bank linked to your wallet, shopping is now effortless. Pay for anything, groceries, petrol, coffee, directly from your bank, instantly. No more topping up balances or waiting for card transactions. At the checkout, just tap your phone, authenticate, and you're done. You get an instant notification, and your bank balance updates in real time. Online shopping is just as easy. Select Pay with Wallet, approve on your phone, and skip the card details. It's fast, secure, and error-free. Because your wallet talks directly to your bank, payments are authorized and settled immediately. Fewer declines, less waiting, and a clear view of your spending. Every purchase is tracked, so you always know where your money's going. It's about removing friction and giving you instant control. Shopping has never been this simple. Let's talk about real life. How does this help you day to day? Imagine starting your morning with everything you need right on your phone. No more fumbling for cards or cash, just a simple tap, and you're on your way. Morning rush? Pay for coffee and your train ticket with a tap. See both transactions instantly. You can even check your balance before you leave the counter, so you're never caught off guard. Splitting a bill? One person pays, others send their share instantly to their wallet. No more awkward IOUs. Everyone gets notified, and the whole process takes seconds, not minutes. Every payment is tracked and categorized, so you always know where your money's going. You can see exactly how much you've spent on coffee, transport, or dining out, all in one place. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Get reminders for upcoming bills and helpful tips to save more each month. Forgot your wallet? No problem. Your phone covers you for lunch, transport, and more. You can even pay for groceries or grab a snack on the go, all without missing a beat. Your digital wallet is a safety net, not just a convenience. It's there when you need it most, whether you're in a hurry or just want peace of mind. Real-time updates help you budget and avoid overspending. Set spending limits, get instant alerts, and always know where you stand financially. No more sifting through bank statements. Your spending is organized for you. Everything is clear, simple, and easy to understand. It's smoother, smarter, and keeps you in control. You make decisions faster, with all the information you need at your fingertips. Social payments, budgeting, and daily purchases, all made easier. Whether you're out with friends or shopping solo, everything just works. That's the power of bank wallet integration, making your everyday life simpler, more organized, and stress-free. This direct bank link is just the start. Soon, you'll be able to transfer money from your wallet back to your bank account with a tap. Sell something online, get paid instantly, then move the money straight to your bank. Your wallet becomes a true financial hub for spending, receiving, and managing money. Next up, support for multiple currencies. Convert pounds to euros in-app before your holiday. No more bad exchange rates. Your wallet could soon hold loyalty points, tickets, even digital IDs, all in one place. It's about ultimate convenience and consolidation. One trusted app for money, identity, and more. The potential is enormous, and it's coming fast. Is it safe? Absolutely, and here's why. Your real card or bank details are never shared with shops. Instead, a unique digital token is used for each payment. Even if intercepted, that token is useless to criminals. Your phone's security, PIN, fingerprint or face, adds another layer. Two-factor authentication means only you can approve payments. Lose your wallet, and anyone can spend your cash. Lose your phone, and it's locked tight behind biometrics. Banks and wallet providers monitor for fraud 24/7 and block suspicious activity. You get the same protections as with your bank card, plus extra digital safeguards. Tokenization, phone security, and bank monitoring work together to keep your money safe. The tech is secure, but you play a key role in staying safe. Use a strong password or PIN for your phone. Never share it. Enable fingerprint or face authentication for both unlocking your phone and making payments. Watch out for phishing. Never click suspicious links or share your details via email or text. Your bank will never ask for your full password or PIN by message. If in doubt, contact your bank directly using official channels. Keep your phone and wallet app updated. Security patches matter. Set updates to automatic if possible. These simple habits, strong password, biometrics, scam awareness, and updates are your best defense. Stay alert, and your digital wallet will stay secure. Use it with confidence. Let's sum it up. Linking your bank account to your digital wallet is a fundamental upgrade. It makes managing money simpler, faster, and more secure. Pay with a tap, track spending in real time, and enjoy instant notifications. Enhanced security means your details are safer than ever. The future brings even more: two-way transfers, multiple currencies, and all your digital assets in one place. Your wallet is evolving into a command center for your digital life. This is just the beginning. Managing money is about to get a whole lot easier. Welcome to the future of finance. Ready to try it? Here's how to start. Check your phone for a built-in wallet app, Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Look for the option to Add Bank Account and follow the prompts. You'll log into your bank to authorize the connection, quick and secure. Once linked, enable fingerprint or face authentication for payments. Turn on notifications so you're alerted to every transaction. Try it out. Pay for a coffee or a snack with your phone. Check your wallet and banking app to see the transaction appear instantly. After a couple of uses, it'll feel natural. This is the future of payments. Simple, safe, and smart. Get started and enjoy the benefits today.